Welcome to Eden Park, New Zealand's national stadium and a fortress for the mighty All Blacks. This stadium is a community treasure that holds 117 years of rich history and endless unforgettable memories. And we are always pushing the boundaries to ensure we evolve and improve the fan experience at the park. That's why we have invested in a brand new Samsung LED Super Screen to rival many international sports and performance venues. At over 40 metres in length, this new visual centrepiece is over 330 square metres of viewable screen, the largest of its kind in New Zealand and the second largest in the Southern Hemisphere. This cements our commitment to staying at the forefront of technology and elevating the live experience to unparalleled heights. This Samsung LED screen is now part of the very fabric of the stadium and has already had an immense impact on our game day experience here at Eden Park.